We're here in the Olympic region. We're in the heart of the Olympics. We've hosted right just down the road on Keys Mill, the 1952 Olympic trials were here. We're in the heart of all these Olympic and winter sports. So we said, how can we be a better part of that and help those sports grow and offer opportunities for people looking to go to college and to participate in those sports.
Locally, with Lake Placid being just 25 miles away, we are the only private four-year college in the Adirondacks. For us to have skiable snow 5.5 months through the winter, we have the Nordic trails right here, world-class ski jumps 25 miles away. And with our academic programs, it makes sense that we be a Nordic center.
The Olympic Advisory Council is Olympians who grew up in this community, whether it's Saranac Lake or Lake Placid, and they went to school here and for the most part had to make a decision at some point whether to pursue their Olympic dreams or get a college education. Most of them, you can't do both at the same time. It's really hard. So they're there to advise us on ways to help ease that tension for future athletes.
So that way world-class athletes, national level junior athletes, when they're looking at colleges and looking at continuing their education, it doesn't have to be an either or. We want it to be both.
So we're offering a sports and event management concentration in the business majors, and this makes sense because you have world-class competitions happening almost on a weekly basis, it feels like. They can get a world-class education in these areas and learn from people who've been part of the Olympic movement for 30 or 40 years. We can offer education with these people teaching classes.